Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naman. So today we have to make an amazing craft of owl. Let's see which things we will need. See, this is one paper of folded and one this side. We will need total 5 cutouts and this. Then we will need scissor, marker and glue. Then sketch pen and some colors. Okay, so let's start our craft. See, first we have to take this paper and we have to mark like this. You can take any marker or sketch pen. Right now I have taken marker. See, now I have done like this. Now you have to cut it. See, now I have cut it like this. You will get shape like this. Now we have to take another paper and do like this. Take marker and twist this. First we have to do cutting and markering. See, now you will get it like this. We have to paste it here. Okay, so we have to put it. Take another and you have to cut like this. And you have to cut it in. It is the beak of owl. See, now you will get this shape. Now it is the beak. Now you have to take another. It is, and you have to trace it like this. Now you have to do like this, like I am tracing. You have to cut it. See, it can open, it can close. Now we have to do our second last. Now we have to make a circle on the white paper. Now we have to cut. Now see, I have cut it in 2 circles. Now we have to put it aside and take that only paper which we have cut the feathers. See now, I have cut it legs. Now we are going to paste all that we have cut. First we see. Now we have to paste it on two eyes. See now I have pasted. Now for eyes, you have to take blue color and do border to border in your eye. You want to use color, then you can use. Now see, I have done border of blue sketch. Now for eyes, take any marker or sketch pen and do and small over. And then do second. And then color it here. Now you can see I have colored it. If there any dot, don't do like this, only brush. Now I have done it like this. Now you have to paste your beak here. Now I have done it. Now you have to take feather like this. And now do second. I have pasted now feather. Now you have to paste leg. One here and one there. And now you have to paste second leg. See, I have done. Now on this side you have to paste this. If it is big, then you can cut it. And there you can write anything in this. All the best. Happy birthday. It can be made a card also. See. And now I will paste it. And I will write inside Happy Birthday. And our out is ready. if you like my video, then please share, subscribe and like. Bye.